In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change your profile picture here on Snapchat no matter what device you're on. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by opening up the Snapchat app, and what you're going to want to do is tap on your profile icon up in the top left corner. This is going to be your profile page. Now you have a few different options here. Your main Snapchat profile picture is obviously your Bitmoji avatar. If you don't have one yet, just tap create avatar in this section. Customize the character, choose your outfits, hairstyle, and more, and save it. And if you already have a Bitmoji and want to change it, tap on your Bitmoji and scroll down a little bit, and you're going to see the option to change your selfie, your avatar, as well as all of these different clothes as well that I'm not going to do in this instant because I like how my Bitmoji looks, if we're being honest. Now, if you do have a public profile, you could set a specific profile just like so. You could hit public profile and then, of course, hit this little like pencil icon up at the top, hit the pencil again, and then of course you can go ahead and delete the existing photo or choose a new photo from your library. It's up to you. And this is going to be something for your camera roll, or you could go ahead and just make a picture as well. I can't even remember when this picture was taken, I'm going to be real. But that is it. That is how you can change your profile picture here on Snapchat, whether it's your Bitmoji or your public profile picture. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.